Okay, hello, welcome back. My name is David Hawkins. This is a training video for the intro text, the intro caption, or the logo. So what you can see here is what we're going to be editing now. If we jump into the top composition here, scene, intro, caption, what you'll see first are three layers here. These are each compositions. The top layer, though, is actually yellow. And you'll see this throughout the project. Every yellow layer means that we can actually go into it, or we can edit the layer in a way that we can make it unique to our use. If it's actually grayed out, you don't need to touch it, right? And so the reason you don't need to touch these two down here is because they're actually duplicates of this one up here, just with different names. And this effect here called time remap. So what you need to know is that you can ignore these two and we'll enter this top one here. Now you've got two other compositions here, one for the Misty 3D, which is for the main center of that logo reveal there, or the title reveal, and then you've got the orb composition for the subtitles. So let's go into Misty first. If we drag this through just briefly there, you can see we've got the animation. If we bring it in here, this is really simple to change. You can see that in the promo video I use Brandon Grotesque Black. The reason I've put it there is in case you want to use the same font. Very simple. It's yellow, which tells us we can edit it. We'll come up here, click on the text tool, and then very simply we'll double click and then write our text as we need to. So, you know, capitals, whatever it's going to be, you enter your text there and you'll see that it actually updates throughout the compositions that are above it. Okay, so I don't need to change anything there. Next up we've got orb composition. This, if we hit caps lock, is, you can see the subtitles there. We've got one on the top, one on the bottom. You can remove these if you like, you don't have to use them. But if we pull the timer here to where the effect has played its role, we can actually see that we can enter the yellow layer. So letter D code, again this is composed because of the effects, and then we've got again another text layer, exactly the same. You just click on your text tool, you click on the text, and then, for example, you know, write whatever you want to, and then the same goes for the bottom there. I'm going to Control Command Z that because we don't need to edit it at this point. And it really is as simple as that. In another video, because you'll see that obviously it's very pixelated here, in another video we do go into how to increase the quality just before the render. But that concludes this video. Thank you.